Ever been in a situation where you desperately needed a recording of a crucial call from your 8x8 platform? Maybe it was a client agreement, a crucial instruction, or just that perfect moment you wanted to save. You know, that aha moment? You're scrolling through the 8x8 interface, clicking buttons, and nothing. You're left wondering, where did that call go? And more importantly, how on earth do I download it? You're not alone. Believe me, we've all been there. That sinking feeling when you realize a vital piece of information is locked away, inaccessible. It's like trying to find a needle in a digital haystack. And with business communications becoming increasingly reliant on cloud platforms like 8x8, these recordings are more important than ever. They're not just audio. They're records, evidence, and sometimes the key to resolving disputes or improving your team's performance. Think about it. Imagine a sales call where a client verbally agrees to a specific service package. Later, they claim they never agreed to it. Without that recording, you're left with a he said, she said situation. Or perhaps you're training a new employee and want to share examples of excellent customer service calls. How do you do that without easy access to those recordings? The truth is, 8x8 stores these calls for a reason. They're there for your benefit, to provide a safety net, to improve accountability, and to facilitate training. But the challenge lies in navigating the platform and understanding the steps required to extract those recordings. The interface, while powerful, can sometimes be a bit, well, let's just say, less than intuitive. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. Today, we're going to demystify the process of downloading calls from 8x8. We'll walk through the steps, highlight the key areas, and provide you with a clear, concise guide that you can follow along with. No more searching through endless menus or clicking on random buttons. Just a straightforward, step-by-step approach. Alright, let's dive into the 8x8 interface. First, you'll need to log in to your 8x8 admin console. This is where all the magic happens. Make sure you have the necessary administrative privileges, as downloading call recordings is typically restricted to authorized users. Once you're logged in, navigate to the call recordings or call logs section. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your 8x8 configuration. This is where you'll find a list of all recorded calls. Now, here's where things can get a bit tricky. 8x8 offers various filtering options to help you find the specific call you're looking for. You can filter by date, time, caller ID, agent, or even call duration. Use these filters effectively to narrow down your search and save yourself some time. Once you've located the call you want to download, you'll typically see a download or export button associated with that call record. The location and appearance of this button might vary depending on your 8x8 version. Click on the download button, and you'll be presented with various download options. You might be able to choose the file format, such as MP3 or WAV. Select your preferred format and choose a location on your computer to save the file. Now, here's a crucial point to remember. 8x8 might have specific retention policies for call recordings. This means that recordings might be automatically deleted after a certain period. Make sure you download any important recordings promptly to avoid losing them. Check your 8x8 settings or contact your system administrator to understand your company's retention policies. Also, be aware of any legal or compliance requirements related to call recordings. Depending on your industry and location, you might need to obtain consent from the callers before recording their calls. Ensure you're adhering to all applicable regulations to avoid any legal issues. Now, let's address some common issues you might encounter. If you're unable to find the download button or if the download fails, here are a few troubleshooting tips. First, check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for downloading large audio files. Second, ensure you have sufficient storage space on your computer. Third, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve compatibility issues. If you're still experiencing problems, don't hesitate to contact 8x8 support. They have a team of experts who can help you resolve any technical issues and guide you through the process. Now, let's talk about best practices. Once you've downloaded your call recordings, it's essential to organize them effectively. Create a clear folder structure and use descriptive file names to easily locate specific recordings. Consider using a cloud storage service to back up your recordings and ensure they're protected against data loss. And finally, consider the security implications of storing call recordings. Sensitive information might be contained in these recordings, so it's crucial to protect them from unauthorized access. Use strong passwords, encrypt your files, and restrict access to authorized personnel only. To recap, downloading a call from 8x8 involves logging into the admin console, navigating to the call recording section, filtering for the desired call, downloading the recording, and following best practices for organization, backup, and security. By following these steps, you can easily access and download your call recordings from 8x8, ensuring you have the information you need at your fingertips. Remember to be mindful of retention policies, legal requirements, and security considerations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.